Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you what the inside of a tornado looks like. Well, the inside of a tornado model. This is the American Educational Tornado Demonstration Model. I got it last year to show my students how tornadoes form. My 360 camera is positioned off-center of the model. I tried putting it in the center for a central view, but the camera would block the flow of water vapor. I couldn't get the camera to stand upright on its own, so I constructed a simple makeshift stand out of Connex rods and connectors. It's not an elegant solution, but it seemed to do the trick. At the bottom of the model is a bin full of water and a heating coil that turns the water into water vapor. The water vapor passes through the central hole and enters the main tornado display chamber. All around this chamber are poles with small circular vents running down the sides. Air rushes through these vents from a fan at the top of the model. At the top of the chamber is a fan. I just switched on the fan and it provides an updraft, which sucks the water vapor straight up. If the vents all face the center and just offset from the center at the same angle, they blow the water vapor in a circular fashion, one of the key ingredients of an actual tornado, the confluence of wind coming from multiple directions. Now the water vapor is not only rotating due to the vents in the side poles, but it's moving up due to the updraft from the fan. It's been a year since I used this model, and one of the poles was misplaced while in storage, but the model seems to work just fine. And there we have it, a decent model of a funnel.